Hello and welcome back, my cuties. How is it going, guys? Having fun? Oh, so how was your day? Good enough? Excited one? Or just like that? How is it? Aha, nice. And who all are excited for today's session? Raise your hands or give me a thumbs up. Okay, and I believe as I can see, some of your friends are joining in. So, let me tell you the theme for the day. Any guesses what we will be doing today, what we will be making today? Think about it. Give me your inputs, give me the suggestions or what you think that we will be making today. Yes, very good. No, not that. Okay, good, fair enough. No. We will be making, I am giving you a hint now. We will be making something out of waste. We call it best out of waste. So anything that we make or create from the waste products by simply modifying it in little ways, then it's called best out of waste. Yes, that's what we will be doing today, creating a best out of waste. And that waste is something of your favorite, something we always love to have, everyone's favorite, that is we have in the summer season, a summer's mandate, a summer's compulsory thing that we eat. What is that? Other than mango, it's not a fruit. It's something cold. Yes, that's an ice cream. So, let me take you to the workstation so that you guys will get the idea that what we will be making today and what that main thing is. Okay, so everyone excited? Okay, let me shift to my workstation and take you through the requirements. There are very less and very little requirements, guys. As you can see, I have a bowl full of ice cream sticks. We also called it popsicle stick, right? That's a popsicle stick. Okay? So, the one that we have on the ice candies. Oh yes, the ice cream, the ice candy. So, this is the stick of that. And to some, I have painted some of them in blue color and few in orange color, as you can see. Okay, so what else we would need? A black sketch pen. Okay, a pencil. Popsicle in their original colors. That's the original color of the popsicles or the ice cream sticks, as you can see. Scale for a little bit of measurements and the what? Yes, the Fevicol to stick. So whichever thing you have, whether you have Fevikwik, whether you have Fevistick or Fevicol, you can use that. So, are we ready? Are we set? Very good. Okay. So quickly take out your materials or be ready with your materials, everyone. Firstly, what we would need? Let's pick one popsicle. Let's keep others aside. Okay. So that you will get space to work on your workstation. So that you will get a little bit of space. Now take one popsicle. Okay. Take 3, I would say. Take 3 popsicles and put them in equal gaps. So how you can measure the equal gaps? Put one. Measure by keeping a scale. And on the end of the scale, as you can see, on the edge of it, you can put another. Now, carefully. Okay. Now, carefully, let me keep this aside. Pick the scale from the edges. It got moved, as you have seen, right? So, what you have to do is carefully put them so that it will be on equal distance. Okay, now again put it on another corner. Everyone, very good. Now put the third one. Make sure that placement for every popsicle should be equal and they will be placed at an equal distance. Then only the artwork, the work or the craft will look more neat. Okay, now pick the scale from between. Okay, as you can see what I have done. Yes, I have placed the popsicle in equal sequence. So the reason why I have used scale, if you have smaller scale, that will even work. It's just for now, the purpose of using scale is to give equal gap to all the popsicles, right? Now keep the scale aside. We will need it again. Pick a new or a fresh popsicle. An ice cream stick, pick a fresh one. I have picked one. Now what you have to do is carefully on the corner one side of the popsicle, just put the glue or apply the glue. Take out your glue, everyone, and apply it on one corner of the popsicle. Okay, on three of them, all three of them. Very good. Again on the third one. Okay, fair enough, everyone? Yes, do it. It's okay. In case you feel that the positioning of every popsicle isn't equal, recheck. Let's recheck. And I have found the glitch. I have found out that my popsicle got a little bit moved. So let me place them at equal distance. Similarly, this one seems fine. Okay, now all three of my popsicles and also from both the sides, what you have to do is just make sure that all the popsicles are at equal distance from all the sides. So look. Okay, done. This is the way you can by using the popsicles, you can also align them. Yes, good. Okay, now the one that we have picked, pick it up and place it very carefully on. As I can see, my popsicle is little bit lengthier. So what I have done is I have accordingly shift my sleeping popsicles as per the measurement. As you can see, let me shift my sleeping popsicles. Before the final pasting, you can shift it. You still have chance to shift them. So let's quickly measure the gap. Okay, keep other things aside so that you can properly measure the gaps. This is one and half of it. Okay, before pasting properly, or before, yes, very good. It's just the alignment needs to be clear and alignment needs to be fair. Now as you can see, the popsicles are at equal gaps. With your hands, with your palm, give it some pressure so that it will get stick to one another. Okay, so that on the sleeping popsicles, the standing popsicle can stand still. Okay, again give it some pressure, press it properly with your hands, using your hands. Very well done. Okay, now what's next? Pick up the scale pick up or take out the black marker, black sketch pen, sorry, and start measuring what? The gap between all the popsicles that you will be placing on it. Okay, so what you have to do, as I can see, this stick is 11 centimeter long. Okay, so what you have to do, after leaving a gap of every 2 centimeter, put a marking. So this marking, how this marking will be helpful to you? Right. So as you can see, leave a gap of 1. So I have already placed 1 on 0. So leave a gap of 1 centimeter for each popsicle to be placed. Another I'll be placing here, then here, then here, here, and the last one I'll be placing here. So make sure to place them at certain gaps. Let me rectify it by doing it on the other side. So let's have a look how you can do it. Just take out the popsicle. What you have to do is take a marking or make the mark, give the marking. Yes, align, let it get pressed properly. As you can see, this is 0 centimeter. So leave a gap of 1 centimeter for all. Okay. Now since it's 0, so 1 you will be placing here. Another you have to place at 2. Then 4, leaving a gap of 1 number. 1 centimeter gap you have to leave in between. Okay. So this is the 4th one. Then the 5th one. And this one, and then you have the marking. So making equal gaps, by distributing and giving equal gaps, we will place the popsicles horizontally. That means not horizontally, we will place them vertically. That means in a standing line we will place them. Okay, so just put the Fevicol on it, as you can see, and place your popsicle there. Make sure it will be placed on equal gap. Okay, properly. Similarly, pick a new one on the marking, or just by the idea, you can place them at equal distance. Pick another one using the stick. Yes. Okay, fair enough. Till the time your glue is in liquid state, it isn't dried up, you still have chance to move the popsicle. Once it gets sticked, so then there is no scope or very less scope of shifting. So it's better do it in one go or before it get dry. Okay, now pick another one and again apply some glue. Yes, and place it. Place the another popsicle that you just picked up onto this. Make sure to maintain the gap. Equal gap should be equal one. Okay. Now press it. Similarly on the marking for the gap that you have created. Very good. Very nice. Everyone, yes. Keep aligning with the help of your fingers. Keep aligning them. Very good. Which shape it is making? A shape of a net? Yes, that's making a shape of a net. Or a cage. Yes, this is the pattern. This is how the pattern will be. Okay. Now, not on this. Directly apply some glue on this portion. Similarly on this portion and on this line, so that you can directly paste the stick. Okay. Quickly paste it at a gap. Oh yes, that seems good. Fair. Now apply it on the edge so that the stick can be pasted there properly. Slightly before the edge. Okay. And that's how you will place the final stick. On the extreme corner. Wow. Oh. Let it dry. Press it properly. Let it rest for a while so that it will get hold properly. Let me give it some pressure so that it will get stick. Similarly, give some pressure to it with your hand so that it will get stick. Yes. Very good, everyone. This will be the, as you can see, this will be, let me, I think we should let it rest after giving certain pressure, weight, with the hands, with the help of hands. Using your hands, just do it properly and give this a pressure thing. Okay, as you can see. Fair enough, everyone. Clear? Now, what's next? Oh, this got moved. Let me fix this. What you have to do next is, as you can see, the 3 lines here. These standing lines, the popsicles which are placed in standing line. So what you have to do is, you have to put a layer to it. How we will be putting a layer? You can see I have already pasted 2 popsicles together. Now I will paste one more onto this. A bundle of 3 popsicles. Properly paste them and paste it in a way that it will be equal as well as stuck well with one another. Okay, very good, everyone. I can see very nice patterns that you have made, and a pattern like a net, a pattern like a, yes, a cage. So using the popsicle, we have made a cage now. Don't think that it's a cage. It's gonna be a very cute and very useful thing that you can create at home. Also, you can use it for so many purposes. Just give this setup a day so that it can get dried up, and then from the next day you can use it. Okay. Now, as I have on this layer, I have applied the glue on the top, and what I will be doing? I will be pasting it on one of the, or the corner one of the standing popsicle, the popsicle that we have placed in standing position. Similarly, making a pattern of 3. Again, give it a pressure with your hands. Using your hands, just press it. Similarly, as you can see, I have made another pattern. I have joined 2 popsicles already using Fevicol. Now I will be using one more. Okay, to, yes, to give it a height. Okay. Very good. Now again, place them properly and position them properly. It should be aligned well, pasted well, and should be at equal distance. Should be pasted at equal distance. As you can see, with using my fingers, I am giving it a little bit of pressure. Yes, I'm pressing it so that it will get stick to one another. Or you can give it, as I said, you can give it a day to rest, to get dried up, so that it will fixed up properly, or it will be fixed properly. Okay, just give it a day. Now, using this bundle of 3, let's apply glue onto the top layer. And again, place it on second popsicle, which is placed in a standing position. A popsicle which is standing there. Okay. Again, let it dry till the time we can create one such more stand to be placed, to be pasted here. And as you can see, I have this one with me. I will be adding one more to this. Yes, similarly, do it very good. Wow, guys. Excited enough that what it will be? A very useful thing. Even your parents is going to love it. Yes, because that's something that you can create with your parents, and this is something of great use. You can use it on regular basis. Yes. So just with your hands, and by applying a little bit of pressure, as I am doing on this set of 3. Very good. Just place it onto this popsicle which we have placed in a which position, guys? Very good. Standing position. So all the 3 standing position popsicles are layered and are given height. Why so? That we will see. Have a look. It has become a stand, a case, or originally we call them the coasters. So you can keep your things onto it like this. You can have a servings. You can make many such cute coasters all at your home. So you know that while serving a tea, we put a plate below it, or we try to put a paper below it, a tablecloth or a table mat below it. Why? Because it puts strains. The cup leave certain strains, right? There are markings. So to avoid it, you can make such cutie coasters right at your home using this very basic element, a waste product, or you can find it in the market also. These are available in the stationery shops also, that you can create very cute such kind of coasters. Okay, guys. So this is one thing. This is something that I have created and thought of creating using a popsicle stick. Now what next I will be doing is, again I will be making something good using a popsicle. Any guesses? Think. What else can be made? Yes, very good. What we will be learning today that we can make using a popsicle is... Tell. Yes. A popsicle stick can be used to make... Oh, you got that right. So in the morning, you know what happened? This pen holder got broken. So this was damaged, as you can see right here. It got broken, and I think that I should create one all by myself and using the popsicle sticks. Oh yes guys, so we will be making a pen holder today. We will be making a pen holder using popsicle sticks. So as in the introduction, as in the requirement, as I have shown you, or during the requirement I have shown you that I have painted some popsicle sticks with different colors. The painted popsicle sticks are available in the market, or else you can also paint it at home with any of your favorite colors. So I will be using three different shades here. Those are, as you can see, I will be using, as I have told you that I have in the introduction also, I have shown you that I have some orange color popsicles with me. As in the introduction, as I have shown you that I have certain orange color popsicles with me. Likewise, I have the blue ones with me. They really make a very good combinations, and I will be using some in their original colors. So what you can do guys, either you can paint it at your home, making very good colorful patterns, or making a combination of 2 or 3 colors, or else what else you can do, these are available, the painted popsicles are also available in the market, so you can bring it from there. So that's your take, but painting it at home is much more convenient, isn't that? And that's fun too. So that's the reason why I have, as you can see, there are 2 different cups with the 2 different colored popsicle sticks. I have painted them all by myself. Similarly, you can paint it too. Okay, so quickly let me create a base for my pen holder. What I will be doing, let me put, how many? Let me bring onto the workstation some here. As per the size of my popsicles, I will be placing 12 popsicles together as per the length, because the step I will tell you, I am using 12 popsicles because as per the size of the popsicle I have. Let me give you the measurement of it. It is, exact measurement is, it is 10.5 centimeters guys. So this is my popsicle, the length of my popsicle is 10.5 centimeters, and for that 10.5 centimeter popsicles, I am using 12 popsicles together. So let's quickly place 12 in standing positions, side by side, one after the other. Okay, let's quickly place it. 1 with every count, then that's 2, then that's 3, 4, and 5. Similarly, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many more I would need? Oh yes, 3 more. 10, 11 and 12. And as you can see, these are placed side by side to one another, but these are not aligned. So what I can do to align them, I can use a scale to do so. Okay, I have done it from the bottom, and as you can see, these are placed from the, as I have placed them from the top, as you can see, using a scale, the markings. Similarly, you can do so from the bottom also. So let's quickly just place them. Very good, everyone. Yes, now as I can see, and as you can see, these are placed equally as well as one after the other. What's next? Yes, do it. I can see all of you doing this very nicely, very neatly. Good job guys, wonderful. Yes, 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 do it. Try to do it. Very good. Now quickly very good, very nice. These things things that we are making today are the one that we can easily create at home. They look really good. They look really cute. They look really good and very attractive and very easy to create. Yes, isn't that? So, as I have placed it, now quickly pick out 4 popsicles from the bucket. I am picking it up from the bowl or from the container. So take out 4 popsicles and keep them separately. Now pick one from them. Okay. Apply glue onto the top side in sleeping way. Make sure the Fevicol, the glue that you are using will be applied to all the sticks. Okay. You have to, after leaving a little bit of gap, you have to put the glue on it. Okay. Quickly place the glue, and if you can see any area leaving, just fill that up also. Very nicely done. Good job. Done, everyone. Now, using one stick that you will place in a sleeping position. Pick one stick that you will be placing in a sleeping position. Now it's time to align it. So pick the scale up and using that, use another stick to give it alignment. Yes, very nice. Very good, everyone. Quickly, with your hands, with the help of your palm, give it some, or you can use your thumbs also here. Very carefully so that it won't get shifted much. And the positioning will remain same. Quickly, give it some. Oh, yes. Keep aligning it till the time it will get dried. And if you are Fevistick, so that will paste your things quicker comparatively. But if you are using Fevicol, glue or something like that, then it takes, or let it rest for a day at least. Okay? Okay, everyone? Very good. Yes. Do it. Carefully do it. Now, similarly, in the same way, apply the Fevicol on the, yes, the corner stick and in a standing position. So quickly apply some glue, and what we're going to do next? We will place the stick over it. We will be layering it. We will layer it. Yes. Now, using third stick that we have with us, quickly on the other bottom area, as you can see, the bottom area, the bottom line, this thing will need a day at least to get dried up, and then from next day onwards you can beautifully use it, and you can use it for so many other purposes, whether you want to use it like a pen holder, a brush holder, a band, rubber band, or accessories holder. That's up to you, how you wanna or for what purpose you want to use it. Okay, now at the bottom side, apply the glue in sleeping position. Carefully apply the glue, and the glue should be applied in sleeping position. Very good, everyone. Now pick the stick and place it in that way. Very nicely done. Good job. Very good. I can see many of you are truly matching the pace. and excited enough to get the final result. Yes, the final product that we will create, or we very soon we will get it. Now, what is left? Yes, one standing line. So again, put a layer of the glue onto it. This is a game of layering. This is just a game of layering. So for every stick, we need to create a layer so that it will be placed and positioned in a way that it will make a beautiful pattern and can be used for future. Yes. So let me let it dry for a while. Till the time, what I can do is, you must be thinking that what is the use of the colorful sticks here. So for this pen holder, what I will be doing is, I will be putting up a layer of one color each, one by one, leaving. So for example, I would pick or take, see, look, I have painted it blue, and that's the reason why the paint, the stains and the stains of the paint you can see on the sheet also. So this is a remark, or this is a an input for you that you can avoid, or you should paint the sticks before and let them dry completely so that you can use it to create the structure further. So let them dry completely so that they can be used properly. Okay, so let me keep this aside. I won't be using it for now. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have a set of 4 sticks with me. So let me put a layer of these 4 sticks onto one another. Yes, as you can see, I will be placing a blue color stick now. So this is how, by using different colors, you can make a pattern. You can make your pen holder even more attractive and more colorful. And you might have seen one of the yellow class session of Kashyapi madam. You might have seen that. So she taught you, she guided you about what? Yes, about making the cute stickers. Did she? And who all have attended it? So there's one session of yellow class in which one of the mentor will be teaching of how to make the stickers. So those stickers you can use to decorate, not coaster. For coaster, decoration isn't required. It's just you can use the colorful or the painted sticks like these. You can use any of these, either of these, or yes. So for coaster, we need not to have any stickers as, okay. It's just you can use the colored sticks for that. While for the pen holder, you can decorate it using different stickers or a decoration piece. You can add stars to it. You can add sparkle to it. And there are various other ways you can decorate it with. First, let's have a structure of the holder. Now apply it on another side. Very good. And paste the, in whichever direction you are pasting the stick. So similarly, let's add yes, very good. Likewise, let's quickly add a glue here and give it a base. Okay, now which other color I can use? Yes, the orange. Since I have the orange sticks, so let me pick up 4 orange sticks from here. and I'll be using these orange sticks as another or a next layer. So when I will look it from the back side or from this side, let me show you how it looks after putting the orange layer. Isn't this a useful thing? Oh yes, it is, and that's the reason why you can create many more like these, many more products, many more items using, or many more craft items I would say, using such techniques. Okay, we will be guiding you for that. It's just you have to attend the sessions on the Yellow Class portal and just keep learning, keep improving, and keep grabbing new techniques. Okay, similarly, let's add one on this side and the fourth one then. Now as you can see, the layer is going up, so I just have to put the glue on the edges and not on the whole stick. Okay, now balance it. Very good. This is how it will look then, layer by layer, one layer after another. Okay, let me paste it properly and let it dry. Okay, now it's time to put the next layer. So I'll be putting white one for this. Let me bring on to the table the white colored sticks, or the original actual color of the sticks, right? The sticks which are having actual colors. So let me put that, and what I have done is to quickly wrap it up, or to quickly create the whole thing, I have applied the glue on all the four corners of it. Okay, keep aligning. Very good. Let's put drop here. For every new level you need to put, you can shift it like this and can add another stick to it. Very nicely done. Okay, very good, very good. Good job. Yes, do it. Very good. I can see very great color combinations there. What an artist. Very good. You guys have got a really good color sense, color combination sense. Or are these your favorite? Both of these colors? That's good. So yes, you can make the combination of any two of your favorite colors, any three. So you can make a combination of your favorite colors here. So that's totally up to you. Why I have not painted all of them? The reason, because I want to show you the actual and the original color of this whole thing. Yes, of the sticks, and you already know it though, but I want to keep it, in order to keep it real and to make it more appealing, I have left it this way. This is how, by adding one layer after the other, as you can see, and this has started becoming like a box. I am going to use it from now onwards, maybe possibly from tomorrow onwards. So you will find it on my table, and for every session in whichever sessions possible, I will be keeping it on my table and I will be regularly using it. And so I expect you all to also create it, to make it, and use it. Yes, you can keep it on your study table or anywhere you prefer to keep it or you study. So whichever place you study at, you can keep it and use it there. Okay. Very nice. Yes. Keep it up, everyone. Very good. Faster. See, it's going bigger, it's going higher, it's coming higher. It has started becoming, it has started having its height. And the layer looks so good after drying, after it get dried up. I will show you how beautiful the layers look one after the other. We can keep it and the way they are placed. So it looks too beautiful. Place it. Very good. Place one on top, another on another side. Just be a little patient with this and let it dry, and what comes out, you're gonna love it. Giving it a height, a staircase, layer by layer, just keep adding, and the final thing is about to come. Very good. Yes. Yes. A little bit with patience. Do it. Put layers. Who all are enjoying putting layers after the other? And you can make it at least this heighted that you can keep it things in here, and it has got a volume. So whichever height you want to give it, so as much depth as you want to give it, you can give it accordingly. So you can put the layers as per your wish and in a way that you can make it at least this heighted that you can keep things in here, and you need not to do a lot of struggle with that. Yes, a struggle of putting things and putting your hands in the thing in the holder to take things out. Okay, so need not to make it that higher, that bigger, or need not to put that much of layer on it. I am putting the last layer of blue color, and then I will be placing the last layer of orange color in that. Just 2 more layers and I will let it dry. Yes, I will be letting it dry. Okay, so let me quickly put one layer. So this layer will be of blue color. Either you can make a color contrast You can use two of same color, for example, two of blue color and two of orange color, or you can use a common color layer. That's totally up to you. You can make it multicolor also. So that's as per your choice. Okay, I am just making it and giving it this height so that I can easily take things out from it, and I can easily use it as a multi-purpose holder. Not just a pen holder, but a multi-purpose holder. So I will keep, I can keep other stationary objects here. I can use this as in a type of a box to keep my accessories in it. Yes, many accessories you can keep in it. You can use it for keeping the stickers, or if you have a hobby of collecting coins, so you can use it for that also, for coin collection, for marble collection. Boys generally love to collect Tazoo and the cards, so guys, you can use that for this purpose also. So there are various ways and multiple purpose. This is a multi-purpose holder. Yes, that's what we can call it, a multi-purpose holder. And now the final layer, the last layer of this multi-purpose holder, so that now I can at least let it dry for a day. After painting the sticks, at least let them dry for a while so that there won't be any patches, any mess around your artwork. Okay, so kindly let it dry. That's a suggestion, that's an input, and that's what, since I'm experiencing it, so I am making you learn and yes, understand things. Okay, so very good. So that's a feed for you, today's feed, the craft feed, that at least let your sticks dry after painting them. And the final stick layer to it. As you can see guys, this has got volume, this has got layer. So this is how you can make it. If you can give more height to it, you can add more layer to it. And since the size of my sticks are comparatively bigger, and that's the reason why the box size is comparatively huge. So basis on the size of your sticks, you can make or give a height or add a height to it. Okay, I believe that both these things are and seems like a very useful stuff for you, and you definitely gonna try it and do use it in your daily life. These are just the basic things or the best out of waste products that you can create using the popsicle sticks, which are very common and easily available. So do try it at home guys. Do try it, get yourself clicked with this, with the material or the craft that you have created, and you can share it with us on the Yellow Class portal. You can share it with us on the Yellow Class FB page as well as on Yellow Class Instagram page, and we gonna love, and we are definitely like waiting for you to get the responses of it. Okay guys, that's all for the day. Hope you had fun and you had a great learning today. Okay, and that's all for the day guys. Bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe, and yes, try to clear your mess all by yourself. Yes, initially you can take your parents' help, then afterwards what you can do, you learn to do things on your own. Okay guys, so I believe yes, you all are very good, really good people and do understand things. So do it and make your parents proud. Bye, take care.